These farmed animals survived another day. Here are our top 5 farmed animals of the week. Overcoming blindness. At number 5, Faith is a blind cow, and she seems upset today. Fortunately, Faith's humans knew what she needed. It's her big green ball. Having an emotional support ball that she can touch, feel, and snuggle make all the difference for her. And number 4, Rhea the goat doesn't let her blindness slow her down. She loves to run around and jump. Her really favorite thing to do is to climb piles of rocks. But she needs some help getting down. Her human is happy to oblige, again and again. At number 3, Tuki is a blind hen. She was happy in her flock until one of the other hens started bullying her. She had to be separated for her safety, but then she was lonely. Her sanctuary arranged for her to meet a friend, blind hen Elvira. They meet for the first time. They can't see each other, but they still make a meaningful connection, and they lived happily together thereafter. And number 2, this sheep LMA couldn't see, but not because she was blind. She hadn't been shorn for 6 years, and wool covered her eyes. Her rescuers cut the wool away from her eyes. What a relief. Then they started on her whole body. It took hours, but look at her now. What a difference. And our number 1 clip of the week, blind senior cow Sweetie is taking a journey. She lived on a dairy, but she was alone. Humans arranged for her to meet Trisha, a blind cow living at a sanctuary in New York. Sweetie arrived at night and got settled in. Trisha and Sweetie have to wait until morning to meet. When they do, it's magical. No words necessary. Thank you for watching, and remember, farm animals are your friends.